Meaning of inhaler.
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 Inhaler. An inhaler is a medical device that delivers medication to the lungs in the form of a mist or spray. Inhalers are often used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. The medication is contained in a canister which is inserted into the inhaler device and then activated by the user's breath. The medication is then delivered directly to the lungs, providing quick relief to breathing difficulties. Inhalers are often used as a first-line treatment for respiratory conditions and can be a very effective way to manage symptoms and improve quality of life.